Hey guys, today we're gonna be playing Adopt Me. My brother's in that much, by the way, so, I'm gonna be buying the new vehicle, which is, he has no idea I have Robux, just don't tell him. But, whatever. It's about the new lion car thing, mountain lion car thing, so. It's supposed to look like this, which is just gonna be incredible. I cannot wait to do this at all. I'll have some Robux left. By the way, this is my new avatar. By the way, I'm sure I got a new avatar. I like it. It's a cute little frog bone that's really not on my head, but it's gonna have to work with it, I guess. Should have got like a ponytail so I can actually see it, but I didn't do that at all. Graphics are too high, I think. Okay, you're ready, y'all. I'm making a neon pet, so yeah. Buy it. Oh, wow. This is actually super fast. Oh, it's legendary. Oh my gosh. Okay, nice to know that. There's a car right there. That's cool. Okay, I've never actually seen natural. This is gonna be. By the way, Adopt Me actually said that this is the first pet this is the first car that actually looks like a pet. I forgot that it's not actually a pet. I'm not just supposed to jump off of it whenever I want to. It's a car, so yeah. I want to show y'all guys something real quick, actually. Can I show you? Hold on, let me go see it real quick. Supposedly you can get this pet if you actually do this. So, yeah. Or should I just buy something like the shop thing? This is supposed to work. What pet can I get? I can get this weird dog if I buy 5 items. 1, 2, 3, 4. What can I buy that's like really, really cheap? Things are so expensive. You know, I'm not gonna do it. I really wanted it, but I don't really want to do that at all. Too expensive. What even is this? Oh, it's a pocket protector. Those are my 2 favorite colors, honestly. So yeah, I'm probably gonna get this. Yeah, it's not good. Oh wait. Okay, that's crazy. Okay, bye y'all. Go and try to. Oh yeah, it's also vehicle. Sorry, I forgot about that. Bye y'all.